Burp Suite version 2 Professional has an active scanner similar to Burp Suite version 1. And as with version 1, it's very important to spider the application thoroughly before trying to use the automated scanner. In this demo, we've already spidered the application. To start a scan, we right-click on the domain, page, or section of interest. Since we're doing a demo, we're going to scan a small section of the site. We right-click on this area, which would normally just be the root or the domain, and we select Scan. Since we've already crawled the application, we select Audit Selected Items. We go to Scan Configuration, and we can choose one of the built-in scan configurations from the library. We can do audit checks all except JavaScript analysis if we want a relatively quick scan, or we can select other audits that are more complete by looking down through the list and picking the appropriate check. After we're done selecting the settings and we click OK, the task is created and shows on the dashboard. It begins doing the analysis of the application, and the results appear in the issue activity. We go to the Target tab, and as issues are discovered, they'll also appear under the Issues tab. The issues can be exported from here as always. If more control is needed over the scan, when we right-click and select Scan, we can open the scan launcher, choose Audit Selected Items as before, and go to the scan configuration to set up a new scan. Here we have fine-grained control over the issues reported and other settings of the scanner. So for example, if we only want to do passive light and medium checks, but not intrusive ones, we can save that. We click OK to start this scan. The first scan that we did is complete. The second one is running now. When the scan's complete, over in the Target tab, you can select all of them, right-click, and then report the issues. The reporting functionality works the same as in Burp 1, where you select the format, the amount of detail that you want, pick a file name, and then export the results.